Hi students, today we will see the activities given in your book. Activity 1. Draw a point on the blackboard. Every student now draws a line that passes through that point. How many such lines can be drawn? Means you have to draw one point and all the students you have to draw line passing through that point. Second activity, they had given that draw a point on a paper and use your ruler to draw lines that pass through it. How many such lines can you draw? If you will see these, you will do these, then you can understand that you can draw infinite lines or uncountable lines passing through the single point. So here they given the statement that an infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. When two or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. Keep in mind, we can draw infinite lines from a single point or from a one point when just only two or more lines pass through the same point or the one point. They are called concurrent lines, and the common point through which they pass is called their point of concurrence. In the figure alongside, which is the point of concurrence, name it. If you will see the figure here, they showed the lines passing through point P. So here, the lines passing through point P are concurrent lines, and point P is known as the point of concurrence. Now, see next. Can you tell? There are 9 points in this figure. Name them. If you choose any 2 points, how many lines can you pass through the pair? If you will join these 2 points by a line, then you will understand that one and only one line can be drawn through any 2 distinct points. Which 3 or more of these 9 points lie on a straight line? 3 or more points which lie on a straight line are said to be collinear points. Of these 9 points, name any 3 or more points which do not lie on the same line. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Again we will revise it. Look here, we can draw infinite line passing through one point. We can draw one and only one line passes through two distinct points. Now, when two or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines, and from which point they passes, that point is known as point of concurrence. Next to that is, if 3 or more points lies on a single straight line, then that points are said to be collinear points. But if 3 or more points they do not lie on the same line, then they are called non-collinear points. Next to that, we will learn about planes. Now here you can see the 3 figures. First is table, second one is blackboard, and third one is LPG cylinder. They given. Now look at the pictures. That kind of surfaces do you see? The surfaces in the first 2 objects are flat. Each flat surface is a part of an infinite surface. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. The name of the plane in the picture is H. Here they showed the figure of the plane. Do you understand that a flat surface means a plane? Here, table and blackboard, they are the flat surfaces, so they are the planes. But if you will see LPG cylinder, here you will not get any flat surface, so it is not the plane. So in mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. Here they given one figure. They given the name of this figure to H. Here H is a flat surface, so it is a plane. They showed here the arrows extends towards all the four directions, means plane extend towards all the four directions. The name of the plane in the picture is H. Even though we draw a suitably small figure of the plane, it actually extends infinitely on all sides. Arrows are drawn to show that the plane extends infinitely in all directions. However, these arrows are often omitted for the sake of the convenience. Now next to that, the point is parallel lines. Look at this page from a notebook. In this page, a part of a plane. Is this the part of the plane? Yes, because it is a flat surface. If we extend the lines that run sideways on the page, will they meet each other somewhere? If we will extend these lines, they will not meet at all. So, these lines are known as parallel lines. By this, we can make the definition of parallel lines as lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. Now here they given write the proper term intersecting lines or parallel lines in each of the empty boxes. Here they had given three figures. First figure, if you will see, then the lines are intersecting in a single point. So these are not the parallel lines. These first figure lines are intersecting lines. Second one, the lines do not intersect with each other, so they are parallel lines. And third one, if we will extend the lines, then they will intersect each other, so they are intersecting lines. Now you can see the next figure. Observe the picture of the game being played. They are playing Kho. Identify the collinear players. Now only I said to you what is meant by collinear points. Three or more points which lie on a single straight line. They are known as collinear points. So here the players who sit in a straight line, these are collinear players, and who are not in the straight line, they are non-collinear players. Parallel lines and the plane. Parallel lines means the lines which do not intersect each other, and plane means the flat surface. Now you can see the another picture given in your book, that is in January we can see the constellation of Orion in the eastern sky after 7 in the even. We can call it in Marathi Saptarshi. Then it moves up slowly in the sky. Can you see the three collinear stars in this constellation? Yes. Do you also see a bright star on the same line some distance away? Yes. You have to see the figure and answer the questions given below. Now, by this topic, you can write the answers from practice set 1. So, for homework, solve the exercise. Till that time, be safe at your, till my next video, be safe at your home. Do study, write all points in your notebook and solve the exercise. Okay, bye.